Today we have a special treat. We're gonna be making an apple pie, and not just any apple pie, a vegan gingerbread apple pie. Let's begin. First thing we're gonna do is preheat the oven. Make sure to set your oven to 375 first before we start preparing all the things. That way the oven has enough time to start warming up. Once we're done preheating the oven, we're gonna go ahead and mix all our ingredients. Go ahead and take your all-purpose flour, your spices, and your brown sugar and mix it all together in one big bowl. Once you're done with that, you're gonna grab your coconut oil and you're gonna start adding it 1 tablespoon at a time. You can go ahead and use your fingers, a knife, or even a pastry cutter. I definitely recommend getting one of these because it's gonna really make your crust really flaky, and that's what we want. Once you're done with that, make sure you grab half a cup and set it aside. It's gonna be for our topping. We wanna make sure that we have a nice flaky crust on top, not only on the bottom. Make sure you put that in the pie sheet and bake for 10 minutes. While the pie crust is baking for 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and take our apples and start preparing them. Make sure that you cut them in nice even slices so the pie bakes evenly. Make sure to take your pie crust out of the oven and we're gonna start evenly layering the pie all around. So grab all your little pieces of apples and just try to make a nice layer every single time. Once you're done with that, grab that half a cup of the flour that you set aside in the beginning and just sprinkle it on top. We're gonna cover it with foil and we're gonna throw it in the oven for 30 minutes. Then it'll be ready, guys. I can't wait. Once the pie is done baking, make sure to let it cool for about 15 minutes. Cut, serve, and enjoy. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, and even share. The support really helps us grow. I can't wait to share more recipes with you guys. Happy holidays.
Yeah, keep that look of guilt on. Now eat.